more or less? Evelyn's necklace got broken. She strings the separated beads and adds a few more beads to it. Help her by adding one bead at each stage. 6 and one more is 7. There are 6 beads in the broken necklace. Evelyn added one more bead to it. 1 more than 6 is 7. Therefore, 1 added to 6 is 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then there are 7 beads. Emma has 8 pencils. Her father gave 2 more pencils. Now she has 10 pencils. 2 more than 8 is 10. Therefore, 2 added to 8 is 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Emma has 10 pencils in all. Noah was walking around in the farm. There he saw 10 pumpkins in the farm. Then he saw 5 more. 5 more than 10 is 15. Therefore, 5 added to 10 is 15. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. He saw 15 pumpkins in all. Michael decorated his room with 10 balloons. 1 balloon burst. 1 less than 10 is 9. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 balloons were left. Riley counted 12 mangoes on a tree. 2 mangoes fell down from the tree. 2 less than 12 is 10. That is 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 10 mangoes were left on the tree. Arya gifted Bensi 7 story books on her birthday. Then Bensi gave 3 of the story books to her sister. 3 less than 7 is 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 4 story books were left with Bensi. Let us recall. One more than a given number is the number after it. 1 less than a given number is the number before it. We add when we say more. We subtract when we say less.